If you want to find authentic Goan food and if you want to find all the local restaurants, you have to come inside one of these lanes here in Kalangut. So let me show you where I am. If you come from this road, you know the main Kalangut circle. The first right when you're going towards Kandolim, if you take the right and come in there, at the corner there is some Balaji homestay, and this side here, the road, when you go outside, if you take the left, you will get this restaurant called Susegado, and towards that side, if you keep going straight, you will get Arpora. So I've come here to this small place. It's called Fish House, and let me show you the place. So right now they haven't set up fully. They open at 12. That's the reason why I've come here early. And if you have a look here, they have very few tables. So I have come here to try the thali. So these are the thali options that they have. They have bangda thali, tarle thali, prawns, chonak, kingfish, and yeah, those are some other options that they have. So usually Adrian accompanies me for my vlogs, but she had to be at home for some household chores. And in case if you're new to my channel, I am Gavin, and Adrian and myself, we cover many places around Goa. We show the places, we show local restaurants like these, we show the food. Placed my order already, so I have gone for the chonak thali, and as you can see there, it is 180. Maybe I might take something else as well, like a fish fry, and I've informed this guy, and through that little window over there, I'm going to get my thali. Yes, I've got the thali here, and as you can see, this is a huge bowl of rice that we have as usual in the thali. This is some fish curry. This is the piece of chonak. It is big but not quite big, you know, it's decent size. This one here is a pickle. This is here some salad, and this is here some kind of a potato and peas bhaji. This one looks like kusmur, and this here is the sol kadhi. And as you can see behind me, lots of locals, they come here to eat. So people from different walks of life come here to eat, and I can see them serving thalis back to back. So let's start off with the rice. I like that they have given this in a separate chati, we call it, so I can take as much rice as I want. It's steaming hot, and let's pour the fish. So again, I don't know which fish this is, but I need to check with them. And this is a lovely looking fish gravy, so you have to pour this all over the rice. I think I poured too much, and I've already washed my hand. There's a wash basin right there in the corner. So yes, this food goes well when you eat it with your hand. It is very hot in Goa right now in the afternoon, so yes, this place feels hot as well. But yeah, they have plenty of fans, as you can see. But yeah, since it is hot outside, it is feeling warm. Now let's try this with the chonak. So I like chonak because it doesn't have a lot of prawns in it. Let's mix with this. Oh, very good. The chonak piece could have been a little bigger. I guess I'm asking for too much. The price of the thali is just 180 rupees, but yes, it's really nice. Fried very well, fried to perfection, and the flavor of the curry, it's just like how we eat at home. Very good flavor. I'm actually very impressed with the thali. Let's have the pickle. So the pickle that they have given is the mixed pickle. There's salad here. Very basic salad, but very nice thali. Like, I can understand why so many people are coming. It's only what, 12:15 or 12:30, already very crowded. Let's try this bhaji. So yeah, potato and peas and some tempering of the curry leaves. Okay. It's just like home cooked food. In fact, I think some people stay there behind. So that is the kitchen. But it's going very well with the rice and the curry. Seriously, very impressed with the thali. Now it's time to try the sol curry. Yeah, tangy, spicy, perfect. It's the spot. And yeah, talking about this here, this is made from small dried prawns, and then there's onions in there. There are different kinds of masala. But yeah, again, guys, we have found a wonderful spot here in Goa. In case if you think the food is expensive, if you come here to places like these, you can enjoy a very good authentic Goan hearty meal. As you can see here, I'm loving this, and let's see, maybe I might even take the prawns fry. I wanted to go for the prawns, but I ended up taking the bangda, and as soon as he gave it to me, I could already get the fragrance. It is fried really well. Look at this. So this is called rava fried. This here is semolina, and as soon as he got it, it was already sizzling. And this will definitely go very well with the rice and the curry. Bangda as well. It's very nice. Like, it doesn't have too much of masala on it. It's like a plain fry, very less masala. But the crispiness of the skin outside, very nice. Especially if you're an international tourist, I'm sure you will enjoy this because it does not have a lot of spices. It is, I would not say bland, it has flavor certainly. But yes, it's not like the regular rechado that we are used to having. It's just a plain bangda fry. That's it for the video today. I just wanted to take you guys here, bring you guys here and show you this local restaurant because I found it on Google. The reviews look good, and as soon as I came here, I saw a lot of people queued up here. They were even taking a lot of takeaways from there. Just as I reached here at around 12:15ish, and now it is 1:45. So yeah, as you can see, so many people are already enjoying their thali. Maybe more people will come. And if in case if you are planning to visit Goa, if you're looking for authentic places, cheap places, good places to visit, do check out the other videos on our channel. So until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay good.